Hi, my little bikini bottoms. Welcome back to another video. I was performing at a drag brunch today. I just finished the gig and I thought it was a good idea to have a little get unready with me. So in today's video, I'm actually going to explain to you how I take off the drag, how I take off my wig carefully, how I take off all of the makeup and the skincare that I do afterwards. I'm going to tell you all my secrets of what I do after a show. Today I was performing at a drag brunch here in Antwerp, in Belgium. This was my little after performance outfit because I am that dumb blonde. As you can see, the makeup, I was in drag in full face at like 9:30 this morning. So, and now it is 5 p.m. So the makeup has been through it. We have been through it. Especially here, I always have these lines because I have a very expressive face. I laugh, when I lip sync, I open my mouth, I give good mouth.
You give good mouth.
I always have these little lines here, so if anyone would have any tips in terms of makeup, how to make sure that the makeup stays in there, because as you can see, it really leaves like a little line. If anyone has like a hack to make sure that it stays, it's not bad. I still look good, but if anyone has a hack, please tell me in the comments because I have been looking for a way to fix this for so long and I am never able to really fix it. But so that's just me ranting. Okay. As you can see, I am not in my normal setup. Welcome to my bathroom. And as you can see, yeah, I'm holding my mic because as I am in my bathroom, I don't have the full setup as it should be. We're switching it up. And you know what? Throughout my videos, you might discover other rooms. I'm also going to redecorate my drag room and I might make a video about that because I want to do some DIY stuff. I'm not super handy, but we're gonna try that anyway. But today we are in the bathroom. We're going to take all the drag off and we're gonna do it together. Let's get into it. In front of me, I have my sink, which I'm going to use. Obviously, I'm gonna explain every step I take. First of all, we need to take off this wig, and honestly, I don't want to take her off. Now that I'm seeing myself on video, I want to stay like this. But no, I still have some things to do tonight. I need to sit in the couch, eat some takeout food, and watch the new episode of Canada's Drag Race and Drag Race US. Because when I'm filming this, I haven't seen the finale of Canada's Drag Race yet. Tonight is just me, my boyfriend, our cats, and Drag Race. That's the advantage of doing a drag brunch. You still have the evening free. But okay, let's actually take this off. Goodbye. Goodbye, little wiggy. I love this Dolly Parton 80s huge bam bam wig. It's time to take her off. So, what we do to take off the wig is usually I glue the front and the sides. So what you want to do, obviously now you can really see the lace with this wig, so maybe it was not the best wig to explain this. But what you want to do is you first want to take off the sides very carefully and then slowly you go over to the top. I'm going to show it to you how I do this. So I take the lace here. So you can see here it's around my ear. Here it's a bit loose. And then you just pull slightly. There we go. Then I do the other side the same thing. Now I'm gonna take it all off from here. Because I have like how do we say in English? Bangs. Because I have bangs, I didn't glue the lace in front. So it's easy for me. I only glued it here on the sides that's loose, so we're just gonna take the wig off. I'm gonna put the mic down and do it with you. So that's the wig gone. I suddenly feel so small. I mean, the wig was taking up half of the camera space. Maybe I'm gonna reset the camera a little bit. Yes, that's better. Yeah. Okay. As usual, I put on the wig band and two wig caps, so you just take them off. And so while we're at, I'm going to take off this shirt. I don't want the shirt to get stained. I'm going to take off my boobs as well. I'm going to just put on a comfortable shirt or whatever. Okay, so this is a bit more comfortable. I took off the wig, took off the clothes. I am ready to take off the makeup, even though I look fierce today. We need to take it off. First things first, we take off the lashes, of course. That's quite easy. I think you just take them off like this. That was less easier than I thought. I don't know why, I always take it from the outside and then pull inwards. Oh my god, I'm kind of crying. I don't know, I have this new glue and the glue is strong, okay? Now that we took all of that off, we can take off the makeup. I'm going to show all the products that I use and then we're going to use them step by step together. In terms of products, what do we need? I always like to have some makeup wipes. These are by Neutrogena. They are really good makeup wipes, especially if you're on the go. So if you de-drag at the venue where you performed, I always take these with me. And even at home, it can sometimes help to do a first layer with a makeup wipe or to get rid of the excess at the end. Second thing you definitely need, and it is my favorite thing to use for makeup removal, coconut oil. So this one, I don't even remember why I bought it. Does it say? I have no idea, but you can buy it at any grocery store basically, or like a beauty. Sometimes they have it in beauty stores, but I feel like in a supermarket it's cheaper, so I just buy any coconut oil that probably people use for cooking. I use it to take off my makeup. Another product I really love is this cleaning gel by Neutrogena. And I like to use this after my coconut oil to really clean the skin a bit more. If there is still some makeup left, this is going to take it away. Oh my god, I have my little kitten who's... I don't know if you hear that. I'm gonna leave her in. Viens, ma belle. Viens. Viens. My little kitten was crying for attention. And this way, Shuket, our little kitten, is gonna watch me de-drag with you. After I take everything off, I also use a little micellar water, also by Neutrogena, just to make sure everything is really gone. I also use this eye makeup remover by Diadermine. And this is to get rid of the eyeliner, the mascara as well, which is sometimes difficult to remove. This will help to get rid of those final struggles. Basically, those are the items that you need. You don't need everything per se. If you don't want to use the micellar water, I think you can do without. I do think the coconut oil is really important. The facial wash actually as well, and the eye makeup remover as well. So you could do without the facial wipes and the micellar water if you want, but if you really want to clean your skin really well, I like to use everything. Okay, so first of all, I think I'm going to use a little makeup wipe to clean my lips because I used a lot of lip gloss, and if I'm going to go in with the coconut oil directly, it's gonna smudge the lip gloss all over my face. It's okay, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to take it off with a wipe. Well, this is a weird look, but we're immediately gonna take everything else off. I'm just gonna go in with the coconut oil, grab a decent amount. I'm going to show you how much. Rub it in your hands to make it warm, to make it oily, and then you just put it directly on your face and you rub as hard as you can. Okay, so I just realized that maybe I'm going a bit too fast. What I just did is I used the coconut oil, rubbed it all over my face, washed it off with warm water. I did that twice, so I put on coconut oil again and rinsed it off with warm water as well. I also put my hair in a little bun because it was getting in my way while I was washing my face. So now my face is still wet. I'm immediately going in with this facial wash. Je suis le chanteur de The Cure. Okay, so as you can see, I still have a lot of makeup around the eyes. That's why the eye makeup remover is important. And so now I'm going to take this eye makeup remover, this one, shake it really well so that both solutions get combined. I'm going to take 2 cotton pads, put the solution on there, and I'm going to clean my eyes. Ah, way better. And so this is why I like to use the micellar water as well, because after I use the makeup remover on my eyes, it can like still feel a bit dirty, I feel. So this is a moment where I take 1 cotton pad, put on the micellar water, and just go all over my face to take away any residue of makeup. And so the reason why I do this is because it's actually still dirty. So that's why sometimes I take a shower as well to get it really done. Chouquette, c'est bon. Mais oui, ma belle. And so that's why sometimes I also take a shower after de-dragging. For now, I'm going to show you how I take care of my skin after a show. In terms of skincare after a show, it's actually quite easy for me. I have a full skincare routine, but after being in makeup all day, it usually takes a toll on the skin. So that's why I don't do my full routine. I just put some hydrating and moisturizing ingredients on there. So what I really love to do after a show is I put some hyaluronic acid on there to hydrate the skin again. Afterwards, I put on a really heavy moisturizer to bring back some moisture to the skin. And I also put on some eye cream because my under eyes tend to get dry. So let's first start with the hyaluronic acid. I use the one from The Ordinary. I use this one because, in my opinion, it's very affordable and it really has good ingredients. It really works really well. And so after that hyaluronic acid, I'm just going to use my moisturizer. The hyaluronic acid is actually going to help the skin to absorb the moisturizer even better. For a moisturizer, it can be anything. And I actually think about it. I received a new moisturizer from my skin doctor, so we're going to use that one. So my skin doctor, he gave me some skincare for free, and he gave me this moisturizing cream from Vivaci. It's like a French brand, apparently. I don't know it yet, so I'm really thrilled to test it out. This is really cute packaging. Thank you, Dr. Zismo.
Thank you, Dr. Zismo.
So he actually has this practice here in Brussels, which is called House of Glow. And that's where I go for my little zhuzhing up the skin. I'm not gonna give away all my secrets, but that's where I go to glow the skin. And so he gave me this little new moisturizer. I'm just gonna try it. Okay, I have to admit, it smells really good. Usually I don't really like moisturizers that have like a perfume because I don't feel it's necessary, you know? The moisturizer needs to moisturize and it doesn't need to give perfume to my face. It came with a little manual that says something, but I'm gonna read this later. I don't know what's in there, but it smells really good. So let's hope it works really well as well. And then so to top things off, I'm just going to put some eye cream. I just used this one from a drugstore in Belgium from Kruidvat. And I'm also going to hydrate my lips with a little lip balm. I really love the Carmex Classic. I saw a TikTok that said it's not a good lip balm, but I don't know. I really love it. It's super moisturizing, it's super plump. And if you have a better one, say it in the comments and I want to try it. But for now, I'm gonna stick to this one, even though TikTok says me it's not good. Well, TikTok, I'm not always going to listen to you. I might listen sometimes, but not always, okay? Okay, and so all that's left is for me to take out my contacts because I'm wearing colored contacts. I'm going to brush my hair a little bit and I'm going to put on my glasses. There we go. Well, this ring light is not working well with my glasses. I'm gonna take them off for a little bit. But that was the little Get Unready With Me video. So I hope you like this type of video as well. I know it's a bit different. I didn't do makeup but I try to give you some tips on how to take off the drag, how to take care of your skin afterwards. If you're interested in my full skincare routine, so obviously I told you that today I didn't do my full skincare routine because after a show I like to have my skin to have a little breather. I don't do the full skincare routine because I have like a 6 or 7 step skincare routine that I do every night. If you're interested in that, I can also do a little video on that. I can set up my little camera here in my bathroom again and show you my skincare routine. But for now, I hope you like this video. It's gonna be a little shorter one, but I want to experiment with videos a little bit. I want to have different topics, different style of videos. Let me know what kind of videos you like. If you like this one, please like it. It's really going to help me. I hope you are subscribed to my channel. If you're not, please subscribe to my channel and check out my next videos because I can't wait to see you soon. Have a lovely day, my little bikini bottoms, and see you in the next one.